Hi everyone, this is Haider Pasha from Palo Alto Networks. So as you've probably seen in a couple of the videos I've already rolled out, we're here to talk about the Palo Alto Networks cybersecurity strategy. Today we're here with Trevor Deering, who's our product marketing manager for Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Trevor, one of the key challenges that we feel our customers are having currently is moving from sort of localized data centers to a hybrid cloud environment. The challenges primarily exist because they're worried about complexity, taking the same challenges they've had on-prem and moving to the cloud. What can you tell us around what Palo Alto Networks is doing to help our customers in that area?
So I think one of the key issues is to avoid a very complex situation, because as soon as you introduce complexity into security, you end up with potential breaches and gaps in what you do. And so what we do is applicable on several levels. So the first thing really is to have a very simple deployment. So a consistent management system, a consistent way of doing things that works not only in the cloud, but also within virtualized networks within the data center, or even in a private cloud virtualized server environment. So that becomes the key thing, is to be able to manage your policies across those environments. The second thing is really to have consistent security. So the fact that we have exactly the same functionality and code for our physical firewalls that we would use with a virtualized network fabric, or the virtual firewall that we would use in a virtual environment or in the public cloud, means that you can deploy the same application level rules, the same user ID based rules, and also the simplicity that we give with being able to tag groups of users so that we can apply simple rules to those guys as well.
Yeah. No, that's great. And so that's on the sort of the deployment side and making it simple. What about when we detect threats? How are we able to prevent threats in the hybrid cloud?
Well, the good thing is, because of the way that our products like the firewalls and traps interact with Wildfire, then we can obviously find new threats, we can find existing threats. But really one of the key things is the ability to use Cortex across that whole environment. So because traps, the VM series firewalls, the physical firewalls, all feed their information to the Cortex data lake, then we can use behavioral analytics, we can use incident response, we can detect threats, and we can remediate in a very simple way. So, and automate, absolutely. With Demisto, we can automate the process in which simplifying it for the security analyst to be able to deal with any incidents.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, Trevor. Thank you for that feedback. Hopefully useful information for everybody here. We are at GITEX, as I've mentioned before. Come on down if you want to have a conversation with us about any of the primary strategies that Palo Alto Networks is focusing on, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.